Sino dito ang hindi makapag-post hanggat walang filter? Hello, Unstoppables! Sino dito ang hindi makapag-post hanggat walang filter? Yung kailangan perfect angle para maitago ang perfect mess ng buhay? Let's strip down the appearance. Sa social media, ang dali magpanggap na okay ka. Smile sa camera, pero iyak sa kwarto. Ang ganda ng profile picture, pero basag na basag naman ang profile ng puso. Napaka-exhausting, di ba? You try to impress people na di ka naman kilala. But listen, God is not interested in your OOTD or outfit of the day. He is interested in the posture of your heart. Kahit anong makeup mo, nakikita niya ang lungkot sa mga mata mo. At ang good news, mahal ka pa rin niya kahit walang filter. You don't need to look perfect to be accepted by Him. 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 7 reminds us, people look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Sa mata ng tao, baka kulang ka, pero sa mata ng Diyos, sapat ka. No filter needed, just pure heart. Look beyond the appearance. Again, this is Miss Judy Ann reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye!